Hi guys, we're at Monkey today, guys. This is a really good restaurant. Yeah, this is a Japanese restaurant in the Philippines called Monkey. It's a really good restaurant, guys. My food hasn't come yet. This is my mommy's food. This is my mommy's food. Food hasn't come yet.
And then we'll share that one with the mom.
Yeah.
Which one you gonna eat there?
Maybe this one.
Okay.
What's that, like wasabi?
Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Also, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, everyone.
It's AJ's first try of the Kuan sashimi. Fresh
Salmon.
tuna.
But it actually tastes good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Dip it in the soy sauce.
I know, that's why I'm dipping it.